Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've got a car sitting in your driveway and you're looking for ways to make some extra cash, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to make money using your car. And trust me, there are some really cool and simple ways to do it in 2025, so let's get started. Number 1. Drive for ride-sharing services, Uber and Lyft. First up, one of the most popular ways to make money with your car is by driving for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. This is a great way to earn extra income, especially if you have a flexible schedule. All you have to do is sign up on the Uber or Lyft app, pass a quick background check, and you're good to go. You can choose when and how long you want to drive, so you can easily fit it into your routine. Plus, tips and surge pricing can really boost your earnings, especially during peak hours. Number 2. Deliver for food or grocery services, DoorDash, Instacart, Uber Eats. If you're not into giving rides but still want to use your car, consider delivering food or groceries. Companies like DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Instacart are always looking for drivers to deliver food or groceries to customers. With services like DoorDash and Uber Eats, you can deliver food to hungry customers, and with Instacart, you can shop for and deliver groceries. This is perfect for people who want to stay in their own neighborhood or only work for a few hours a day. You also get paid for tips, and sometimes you can get bonuses based on how many deliveries you make. Number 3. Rent your car, Turo. Another great way to make money with your car is by renting it out on platforms like Turo. If you don't use your car all the time, why not rent it out when you're not driving? Turo is like Airbnb, but for cars. You list your car on their platform, set your own price, and people can rent it for a day, weekend, or even a week. This is perfect if you have a spare car or if you're going on vacation and won't be using your car for a while. Turo handles the booking, payments, and insurance, so you don't have to worry about the details. Number 4. Advertise on your car, Carvertise and Rapify. Now, if you're looking for a passive income option, you can advertise on your car. Companies like Carvertise and Rapify will pay you to wrap your car with ads. All you have to do is sign up, get your car wrapped, and then drive around as usual. The more you drive, the more you earn. These services usually require a certain number of miles per month, but it's a really easy way to make money without doing anything extra. Plus, it's completely passive income. Number 5. Become a mobile advertiser, gig apps. If you're really into the idea of advertising, you can also look into apps like Sticker Ride or Drive It Away, where you allow companies to place smaller advertisements on your windows or bumpers. You still get to use your car like normal, and you get paid for the exposure your car gives to the ads. This method works similarly to car wraps, but instead of a full car wrap, you'll just have decals or stickers. It's another way to turn your car into a money-making asset, while still driving around your daily routes. Number 6. Offer carpooling or shuttle services. If you're not a fan of driving strangers but still want to earn money, how about offering carpooling services? If you live in a city with high demand for transportation, you could offer to carpool with people who live near you and are headed to the same destination. Think about it. Offer a shuttle service for people going to work, school, or events. This works especially well if you have a larger vehicle like an SUV or minivan. You can set up your own schedule and earn money from the riders. So, there you have it. 5 ways to make money using your car in 2025. Whether it's driving for ride-sharing services, delivering food, renting out your car, or even advertising on it, your car can be a serious money-making tool. The best part? You can choose the method that works best for you and your lifestyle. Which of these ideas are you going to try first? And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any more money-making tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.